Shivaya. I'm Kota Sravan from Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham Amritpuri campus. I, along with my team, Swallowtail Squad, are participating in Zero Arenas Hackathon, and this is our project pitch. So the problem statement title is Student Innovation, and it is themed of travel and tourism. It is a software category hackathon idea, and the problem statement ID is SIH 1591. So going deep into what the project is about. So turnaround. The proposed solution. So uh, basically, similar to Pokemon Go, we are creating a tourism app where there are sprites around across all over the world, and people can go and collect the sprites, and it will be added to their inventory, and they can showcase it or do whatever. So we are also featuring random place generator, which you could select by country, by state, or globally. And we're also trying to introduce treasure hunts that lead to underrated or underdog locations. And so this problem engages people more. So and it also boosts tourism. So the technical approach, we're using Kotlin language with the help of Android Studio, and for the augmented reality, we're using AR Core, and we're using Maps and Firebase for the backend. So in the development process, we start with user registration, and then people get suggested nearby places through their map's current location. And trying to integrate AI to give proper travel suggestions based on the whatever the people likes, the person likes, and it we could also integrate types of foods to it. So coming to the feasibility, we're planning to use Kotlin, and it has seamless integration with AR4. And Firebase is also easy for backend services. So yeah, and also we have few challenges with this, and the challenges such as data privacy issues and GPS accuracy, and the sprites might also be misplaced or some hunt clues be wrong. And how we plan on overcoming these challenges is, so firstly, for the data privacy, we could opt in for some high strong level encryption, and also store the the location tracking locally, like how Google Maps uses it. And for the yeah, for the hunts and clues, we're going with traditional approaches such as locally tested hunt paths with gamified storylines, so that there won't be any mishap. So the target audience, we want young enthusiastic travelers, and it could be solo tourists or students, or uh, it could be any families that want uh, yeah, looking for engaging in local experiences. And since we cover all the underdog locations, it is a true local experience. And it also promotes community exploration and gives them some memorable experiences because they are involved in a gameplay. So for the research and references, uh, to use AR Core, Google has their developers documentation, and Google Maps also has documentations for their Android SDK versions, and same with the Firebase. And we also referred to gamification and tourism, a book where it talks about how engaging people with the games gets them more involved and more interested, and it will boost their willingness to visit new places in future. So that's about it. Thank you.